Hello, my name is Jesper. Today I'm gonna make an unboxing video of the Zio Ciro mini pizza oven. So here is the box and let's get on with it. I don't know if you can see it, but here it is. And here it is. The Zio mini gas burning pizza oven. My first impression is it's very nice and it's very well built. And we have this in the box and this one. And I think we have a little adapter for the gas. And we have this little pizza box with the manual inside. So it's a very nice oven. And here we are from the bottom. And I can see there are no regulator for the gas here. I can see the little adapter. It goes here if needed. And then I need to find a hose and some bits and parts to get it working. So this is now a half an hour later. I have been in my local hardware store and I brought this one for the connection on the pizza oven, and I found that I could use this to attach it with my gas tank in my country, in Denmark. And you have to be sure that it's a low pressure regulator for this is 29 millibar. It's the same as for the barbecues. So you can buy something like this and attach it, and then it should work. So I will try that now, and then I will make another video when I get it going, and then I will make a review on the pizza oven. So stay tuned for another video from me, and thank you for watching.